Welcome back to Still Testing episode 9. This is your weekend special. And as we go into the weekend, Jaggu, I must ask you, have you lost a little weight?
There is no straight answer to that. So I started intermittent fasting. The first couple of weeks I did lose weight. Then I took a break because I went on chutti. Then I came back and my schedule changed. So instead of eating breakfast and lunch, I was now eating lunch and dinner. So it was 2 big meals.
Basically,
and so therefore my weight went up.
No, so
But
basically,
now,
Jaggu, 1 minute. Jaggu lost 2 kilos when he started intermittent fasting. And then when I looked at him, I said, I don't think it's working anymore because you're looking fatter and fatter. He used to refuse to agree. And I said, have you weighed yourself? No, I haven't, Evo. And then he hit 99 kilos, which is more than what he was when he started intermittent fasting. Correct?
I was at about 97 and a half. I came down to about 95 and a half. And then I promptly went back up to 99 approx.
How do you gain 4.5 kilos
because
while
it's important
fasting?
what you do. Because it's important what you do in those 8 hours. ना अभी दबा के खाएंगे दो helping chocolate के साथ तो problem हो सकता है ना. The point is I have now changed that. I've extended my fasting time. I'm now hitting 18-20.
18-20 hours you don't eat anything.
No, and I'm eating far more sensibly. So now I believe I've lost weight because I'm feeling the lightness.
Okay, very good. But
I will check. I will check only 2 days from now.
Also, apparently yesterday, Jaggu's only meal was 3 varieties of muesli and milk.
So there was a basic muesli, then there was a muesli, and then my nephew had left behind some chocolate pops or something like that. मैंने वो भी दबा के डाला, दही डाल दिया उस पे. आराम.
What's wrong with you?
And then I ate 22 and a half hours later. You know what is impressing me even more? The fact that we had a friend over and that friend was eating Pringles from a can right in front of me and I didn't touch one Pringle. Not the one, I tell you.
Yeah, great self-control. But I'm really worried that all these stunts you're doing, 22 ghante, 24 ghante baad you eat one thing and that is a bowl of muesli. What if you faint and none of us find out because your wife is not around?
This is true. If you don't see me WhatsApp on any one of our groups for about 1 hour, you know I fainted. That's your indicator.
You could also be napping. I think you are in charge of... Jaggu, everybody right now watching is very worried about your health because all akela eating all this random and not eating for so many hours. You need to always say, now I'm going to nap. Now I am not looking at my phone. And
Nobody nahi aayi hai na. For the last 3 weeks, I've been wanting to nap and I've not been able to, including on the weekends.
Yeah. But now that we don't wake up at 5 in the morning, it is okay. Anyway, this is the catch up with Jaggu's life. My life mein nothing important is happening. And the last time ever that we want to discuss Evergreen with you would be now.
You keep saying that.
Evergreen, what can I do? So, Evergreen, Suez Canal, Atka Tha, now that ship has sailed. Captain Bhatena, of course, sir. Thank you if you're watching. Thank you very much for that detailed explanation. Then Google. No, so Google is, I don't know if it's still doing it, but yesterday was doing something very cool. Where if you Googled Ever Given or Evergreen or Suez Canal, like little ships sort of walked across your screen or something, which was quite fun. A person now has said, in case any of us are missing Ever Given, he has created an app that allows you can basically place Ever Given anywhere you like.
How so?
Yeah, that's why I will give you demonstration immediately. Can you see this, Jaggu?
Where is this?
So this is actually a top view of the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls. So ये जो है ना ये, this is the Niagara Falls.
Got it.
So somebody has placed Ever Given over here.
Excellent.
Then we also have
Niagara Falls mein pahunch gaya Evergreen.
Yeah, we are trying to go to her. Then this is apparently Sydney Harbour Bridge. So Sydney Harbour, the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Opera House किधर है?
So they have Opera House, I think Yera, in this corner.
अच्छा. Correct. Okay.
One guy said, why should I place it idhar udhar? I'll put it in my own backyard.
So hang on, this is an app that basically allows you to take Ever Given and put it wherever.
It's called @glitch or something. @glitch. Okay?
Excellent.
And everyone's favorite is this one. Who needs a wall?
Well done.
Who needs a wall?
That is your entertainment for the weekend. And since we are approaching the weekend, we must also discuss epic fails.
Epic fails. Okay.
So epic fails में क्या हुआ? In Thailand there was a burglar. अभी Thailand में burglars रहते हैं. Simply put, he went into a house, tried to burgle it, went to sleep in the house, was arrested the next morning. Now here are the details.
Went to sleep in the house, was arrested the next morning.
Yes. So he was on the lookout for a house to rob. So
Okay.
he was tired. He finally found a house to rob. घुसोड़ inside. But थक गया था ना बेचारा. Okay, after all that hard work through the night, he must have not taken his afternoon nap, all of that. He found a room with an air conditioner. Room was empty. So he said, I'll sleep for 10 minutes.
Power
AC
nap.
came on, he went to sleep. Gum ho gaya, so gaya. Like he was dreaming of many worlds and things like that. The next morning, a room full of cops have woken him up because the house he was in was a police officer's house. He had ghusod into the daughter's room. In the morning, the police officer had got up. He said, why is the AC in that room on when my daughter is not even in the house? He has
Such
opened
a
it. He has
dad
seen his Charlie fast asleep. Called his friends. He didn't have to call the cops. He just called his friends. They came, arrested him and took him away. ये
Well
हुआ
done.
Thailand में.
Yeah, but I
अभी
don't
हम
think
जा-
this had nothing to do with the police, the dad being a police officer. This is a dad being a dad.
This is a dad being a dad.
AC क्यों on है इस घर में? AC. AC
Correct,
and
correct,
electricity bill and oof, this girl is not at home. She has left the AC on. All of that.
Correct.
Yeah, and that's why that guy got caught. But I mean,
Correct.
he's not a very good burglar, or he is probably your spirit brother Jaggu because he falls asleep.
सो गया बेचारा. I'm very pleased with him.
What
and he can
बेचारा?
take a
Shut
nap
up.
everywhere.
No.
But so okay. Then the other thing happened in UP.
In UP,
Yes, Bijnor के आसपास.
हाँ.
So a thief stole stuff and then got a heart attack out of happiness because they managed to burgle much more than they thought they were going to get. 7 lakhs they got. He got so happy, he got so excited that he had a heart attack.
Yay!
The bulk of the money was spent on his treatment, and from there they figured out, "Arey afsos."
What is
Arey
Acha?
afsos.
Oh, this is our alarm.
This is our alarm.
Okay,
This
dear
is our
viewer,
alarm.
this is our reminder to ourselves and to you to remind you. If you like us, if you enjoy our videos, make sure you remember to like, comment, and it doesn't have to be a long drawn out comment. It could be one emoticon. We need the comments, we need the likes, and of course, subscribe, turn that bell icon on, and if you know other Mad Hatters, please share. Back to so Bijnor mein burglars are very happy giving themselves a heart attack.
So they caught him because he had to go for a surgery and things like that. So they caught him. Now surgery is done.
Very
Now
good.
both of them are in. Both him and his friend are in jail. Finished.
Chal, hey Jaggu, I take your Thailand burglar and UP ka burglar and I raise it to a mafia don.
Why not? Why
There
not?
is-
Epic phase में mafia don. आजा आजा.
Yes, mafia don, Italian mafia don. Apparently, like Italy's like biggest mafia ring syndicate right now.
Right.
Italians, Sicilians, we know that they. I mean, Godfather and God, all of
Yes.
that has been created around Italians. So anyway, so this guy, cocaine gang, has been farar for the last 7 years and has been caught. 7 saal baad he has been caught, Jaggu. Where was he caught? He was caught in the Dominican Republic. So basically, Italy se nikla and went straight to the Caribbean. That is where the Dominican Republic is. Has been caught. Guess why?
I don't know. He made some foolish moves. What did he do?
He decided to be a YouTube sensation and started his own cookery channel. So, he's not that stupid. So he used
ये
to,
मैं हूँ. ये मेरा पास्ता है और हम पौड़ी कर रहे हैं.
और oh, अब हम पकड़े गए. No, but okay, to be fair to him, it's not like he was showing his full face. Can you see this?
Okay.
So it
So
just
the
is.
whole video is made with him from shoulders down.
Huh.
What is he making though? It looks interesting.
It does, no? Should we zoom in?
Yeah.
I think it looks like gnocchi. What is it? What is it? What is it? Jagura, don't this thing me, distract me.
Don't
Stop it.
distract me, Tarana.
Shut up. So anyway,
Ah.
so he has been cooking like this without his face being visible, but the police knows him and his tattoos so well that they recognized him, tracked his channel. We can't see them here, but
Okay.
apparently, like in some shots, you can see his tattoos, so they know those tattoos, and,
Wow.
and then they tracked him all the way down to the Dominican Republic and caught him. But
Well
this is I think the bap of all stupid sort of fails.
हम
this
कुकिंग तो
week.
करेंगे ही, हम इटालियन है, इट डज नॉट मैटर दैट वी आर फरार एंड ऑन द रन, कुकिंग तो हम करेंगे ही, यूट्यूब हम करेंगे.
Or like, I mean, I guess everybody has a talent and it can't just be, what's it called? Being a mafia boss.
Yeah, mafia dog. I agree
Yeah.
with you entirely. I agree with you entirely.
Now, while we're on islands, I would like to take us all to a country which is full of islands. Guess which one,
Very
Jagu?
good.
Guess? A country which is made up only of like islands and lots of islands.
Indonesia.
7,000 islands or whatever.
7,000. You're not giving me a Bali vibe. Philippines.
Correct. Philippines.
Okay.
So Philippines ka president, as an aside, was in the news because he seemed to be celebrating a birthday, and the lady who happens to be his domestic worker cut him a slice of cake, brought it to him, and then he decided to try and do hull by grabbing her where he really should not be grabbing anybody. And then she's jumped back and proceeded to give him the cake. And he has said, "Ye to joke hai, ye to main hu. This is me only." How do you get away with rubbish like this? I don't
I
understand.
don't know, because he's been saying this is me only for now, I don't know, 5-6 years here.
So this president, you know, when fans and like voters are in a town hall and he's on stage, he makes all the girls come on stage and give him a kiss.
I know, and he got into trouble for that.
And the girls are giggling.
At which point he said, this is me only.
This is me only, and it's a joke. So anyway, this is not about Rodrigo Duterte. This is actually about so in the Philippines, whenever you get like any delivery, so like package aa raha hai, Amazon wala aa raha hai, whatever and all, any delivery, the delivery guy has to take a photo of you basically collecting your package. And then that's
As proof that you've got it, that you've delivered to the right person.
to
Okay,
the right
okay, I see
person.
where that's coming.
Yeah, to the right person. Except, and now I would happily like to share some stuff with you. The people in the Philippines have decided to make a little bit of a photo shoot.
Yeah. Abhi karna, I am surprised. I thought a little bit invasion of privacy I thought is happening.
No.
But clearly they must have a reason to do this, because enough people must have said, nahi mila, nahi mila, nahi mila.
No, they're very, and clearly these guys are excited to do this because ye
He
main
has
hu, ye mera.
dressed up.
Yeah. It gets better, Jagu. Are you ready? So apparently Natangap Kona in Tagalog basically means the parcel has been received.
Nice.
Okay?
There's
There.
a certain effort over there.
There. See, uncle is getting into the action. Cool dude. Quite cool.
I could do this.
Yeah, you can.
I could get used to this idea.
Jagu,
Oh,
hello,
I
darling.
say.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. I could
Do-
get used to this.
You can't possibly be dressed like this waiting for your parcel.
No, of course not. Even the first guy, he was wearing a suit and his hair was done and he was wearing fancy shoes and all. He was waiting for the parcel to come so he could pose in that whole neat down fashion.
So she is now fully
Very
dressed
impressive.
up. Then there is, I don't know what this teenager is doing. Her little sister in the background is just like, Didi pagal ho chuki hai. Okay? And everyone's favorite.
Oh, that's a guy, huh?
It's
There's a
Thailand.
beard and mustache.
It could be a lady boy. I don't know.
I
I don't.
could. Oh, that's fabulous.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could get used to this.
Yeah. The only question.
I'm saying some of this is borderline kinky, man. I mean, come on.
Of course it is. Of course it is. But everybody has been wondering, hey, these guys are posing with their parcel. The delivery guy is taking their photo. Who's taking a photo of all this?
Correct. You have to rope in the family members, like Bhaiya Didi types and all have to get involved. And
I have
so
a feeling enough people like saw this as they were passing, took the photos. I have found it all in a thread on Twitter. But wow. Do you think this would work like in this part of the world?
In where? Middle East?
Middle East, so certainly not.
Well, it could. I think we're a little bit shyer than the Filipinos about posing, but I could get into the action.
Could you now?
I could do.
Okay.
I would dress up. I would wear my Hawaiian shirts at the very least.
There we
Thai
go.
silk wale shirts hai na, that nobody lets me wear. For these photos, I would wear those.
If the delivery guy asked me, can I take your photo? I'd be like, no. ये मेरा दरवाजा है, ये नंबर है, उसकी फोटो खींचो and ये रहा आपका parcel. And I will show you my hand and all. But I mean, clearly there's a lot for us to learn from the Filipinos.
There is. No doubt there is. No doubt there is. No doubt. Absolutely.
There is.
Uh,
What do you have?
So, while on the subject of food and delivery and all of that, at some point, what happens is that there is, well, the after effects of eating a heavy meal,
Sleep, nap.
well, passing of the wind.
I'm not discussing farting, Jaggu.
No, listen. Money is being made. This is not a fart joke. I'm very serious. So there is this lady. Her name is Emma Martin, or at least that is her pseudonym. Emma Martin does, how do we say, she runs a flatulence scam.
A flatulence scam.
Camera ka cam.
Flatulence cam.
Yes.
So there's a camera on her and she's farting.
Yes.
Is it trained on her bum?
No. It's trained on her, but you can see her do the tilt and the front and you can. This is not publicly available.
Ew.
It is available on something called OnlyFans.
Okay.
OnlyFans pay her $4.95 a month subscription.
Each fan pays $5.
Yes, to see her videos. She posts 2 to 3 times a day. For $7 a minute, you can get exclusive footage. She
Ew.
will take your name.
And this fart is dedicated to Ramesh.
Yes. Yeah, this is for you, my love. No, but here's my thing. She makes $4,000 a month. Can I also tell you something else? She started this over 20 years ago. In 1999, she started. She was working as a travel agent and all of that. And she figured, I'm going to try this. She used a webcam and she said, if I can recover the cost of the webcam in a month, then it's good. She did. She made $1,000. So anyway, she makes that $1,000, says, okay, let's keep doing this. Cut to 2005, leaves her travel agent job. She now does this full time, making between $4,000 to $4,500 a month.
That's not enough money.
No, it is for her. Nah? She's part. Her husband is earning this, that, and the other. Achha, so the husband knows, the kids don't know. Well, now that there is an article floating about, maybe the kids will know. She has a special diet.
What does mommy do? Mommy farts. Special diet means?
She will have Mexican food, asparagus, avocado, and coleslaw with baked beans.
Well, Rajma, all of us Desis know Rajma makes you sort of.
And she does this for a living. Tarana, I will like to point out to you that we're on YouTube. One of the things we would eventually like to do is to make money off our YouTube channel. Would we not?
You think a shortcut to it is basically flatulence?
You let me know when you're ready. I'll eat accordingly.
Never. Jacob, please.
You just tell me.
Shut up.
You just tell me.
Shut up. I'm
can
moving
be
on.
Done. I have the right angles also.
I am on, while we're on ladies, a very cool lady is going viral let me find her. She is going viral in England because she is a restaurant owner and you know how everybody likes reviews. We are remembering to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe and hit
share
that bell icon and share, of course, with like-minded people. But this lady, she's a restaurant owner. Restaurant owners typically care a lot about the reviews, right? 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star ratings and all. So she's got 5 star ratings, but whenever she gets like 1 star comment or like somebody complaining, she realized that I must go in and see what the complaint is. And ever since she's been seeing the complaints, she's been handling it like a boss. Now, firstly, let me show you what she looks like. Okay. This is boss lady, Oriental Express Chinese takeaway, and this is in Leeds in the United Kingdom.
Okay.
Okay. And this is one of the complaints. A customer wrote 45 minutes late, won't be ordering again. The reply. Hi Nathan, for the 1 millionth time, stop exaggerating. 10 minutes max if it was late, and I very much doubt it was. Which is true.
Well done.
Yeah.
Correct.
And this one is a favorite. This food was terrible. Paid £17 for a box. Nothing but chips that look like they were cooked yesterday. 2 onion rings and everything else is unrecognizable. You ordered a vegetarian lunchbox and then called the shop to complain there was no meat. We sent what you ordered, there was nothing wrong with it. And the bad reviews to cover your error. By the way, this is what is in a vegetarian lunchbox. And it looks interesting. Please do not call again. So on and so forth. Madam has been handling all her... क्या कहते? Oops, sorry. This is what I was trying to do. Has been trying to handle...
So how was it all, Chips? Please don't call again.
Don't call again. Don't call again. And all her regulars are like, their food is amazing. And, auntie can never lie.
Wow. Now that's called fan following. I am deeply, deeply impressed.
If I ever ran a restaurant, I think I would be like somebody like that. You don't like the food, don't come again.
If you hadn't shown me that picture, Tarana, I would have said, have you been writing the reviews? I am telling you, that sounds distinctly like, has she outsourced it to you?
No, she hasn't.
I'm
Please.
sure, because it's sounding like...
All the comments we've been getting on YouTube, Jaggu and I both have been replying and we are both very sweet. So,
correct.
Having said that, nobody has said like y'all are doing a bad job. Then maybe I'd snap.
I'm glad that's true.
Yeah,
once you do that, Tarana will respond to you.
No, I'm not going to snap.
With statements like, one slap you'll get.
No.
Or you shut up.
No. Okay, it is almost time for us to go. But jaane se pehle, because it is the weekend and we need to share something silly with you. I have come across, Jaggu, the most amazing Stan account on social media. Stan. I'm glad you asked. So, fan account, matlab basically dedicated to a celebrity. So, fan account by fans for a celebrity, right?
Sure.
A Stan account is a combination of stalker and fan.
Oh, okay. So,
Stan account.
Beyond fan. हम थोड़ा stop करेंगे. पीछा करेंगे.
हम एकदम like obsessed है आपसे. And हमारा जो पूरा account है उसमें सिर्फ like आपकी बातें होंगी and it's a Stan account.
But one minute, Stan account of whose?
That is the even more surprising part. Bobby Deol.
Oh, well done. Bobby Deol has a Stan account.
हो जाए गुप.
Correct.
Yeah. Anyway, soldier. Anyway, yes, Bobby Deol has many fans.
Yes.
The biggest of them all is the Lord Bobby Wood, and he's very entertaining. And,
Lord Bobby Wood is the name of the account.
Yeah, and we've managed to get a few videos that we'd like to share with you. The very first one is how Lord Bobby knew about COVID way before any of us did. Please watch, enjoy.
क्योंकि मैं वो साफ देख सकता हूँ जो आप नहीं देख सकते।
हाथ मत लगाना भैया, कहीं ये बीमारी मुझे भी ना लग जाए। हाथ से नहीं तो जबरदस्ती से। चीको, come on।
Superb, yaar.
Yeah.
So this one, Lord Bobby himself has sort of reshared it.
Well done.
So
Well
Bobby
done.
Wood is very excited that the Lord Bobby has done it.
Lord Bobby has done it. He's cracked it again.
Yeah. The one that is my personal favorite is Lord Bobby as an umpire. ऐसे देखो. But it's damn clever, man.
It is. This takes editing, man. This takes time, effort, and skill to put together.
No, I'm going through all Bobby Deol songs and all and finding like the this and the whatever.
Absolutely.
But it now makes me think a lot of Bollywood dancing is perhaps like umpiring a game of cricket.
It could just as well.
But as the weekend is upon us, we're going to leave you with Lord Bobby.
The girl
And
them
Sean
skill
Paul
out
Jaggo.
chick.
No, my favorites.
Some give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls. Shonda Paul say, well, I'm on the way, the time cold. I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the
Yeah,
storm.
baby.
Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl,
Bobby Wood,
you can be
salute.
the mom.
We respect you. And if anybody knows Bobby Wood
well done,
personally,
well done.
remember to share this video with the Bobby Wood and tell him we are big fans. All right, everyone, have a fantastic weekend. We are privileged. We live in the UAE, so our weekend begins early. And because a
Yeah.
lot of you are not in the UAE, we also use Sunday as a weekend. So we have a 3-day weekend these days. Hai na?
Correct. Why not?
Yeah.
Either way, we don't have to get up early nowadays. So we're good.
Correct. So we should,
Okay,
should
listen,
return
before
on
we go,
Monday. Yeah.
we should.
Remind, Jagu, remind.
Before we go, please to be liking, please to be sharing, please to be subscribing, please to be showing the love. Please send some comments our way. All feedback is good feedback. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we're posting next.
Also, don't be under pressure to write long things in the comments. We need the comments for the algorithm. We need the likes. So please, like, if you're watching and all that, what is the point of not
Show
liking?
some love here.
Show some love. So like and put any emoticon if you like, or like thumbs up, or like yo. Even if you're very busy, put a yo, but put it there. And now go enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Keep the mask on. If you can, be like Shahid Kapoor, wear 3 masks and stay very, very safe. Now that is a story for another day. We're out of here. Okay, bye.
Bye bye, butterfly.